Hello and welcome to our next lesson. Today we're going to discuss about our gut health or gut microbiome. In our guts, we have a wide range of microbes. Some are good and some are bad. A healthy collection of microbes are vital for our well-being. They can protect against diseases like heart disease, obesity, diabetes, arthritis, and even depression. The gut bacteria are also able to produce a variety of vitamins and amino acids. The gut bacteria are also able to ferment dietary fibers. This fermentation supports the growth of specialist microbes that produce short-chain fatty acids. The major short-chain fatty acids produced are acetate, propionate, and butyrate. These three fatty acids, they play a very important role in our health. Research has shown that higher production of short-chain fatty acids is associated with a lower diet-induced obesity and with reduced insulin resistance. So how do you cultivate a healthy microbiome? Well, it seems that the more diverse your microbial population is, the better. And the best way to increase your diversity is to eat a wide range of plant-based foods. Because plant-based foods, they have the fiber. Research shows that people who have at least 30 plant-based foods in their diet every week, they have a wider range of bacteria in their gut. And this has been linked to a better weight management, better heart health, and better mental health. Vegans and vegetarians, they have significantly higher counts of certain good bacteria compared to omnivores. Fibers found in plant foods increase the amount of good bacteria in your gut. Polyphenols, also abundant in plant foods, increase the good bacteria that have anti-inflammatory effects and cardiovascular protection. Probiotics improve intestinal wall integrity and barrier function of the gut by preventing the death of the gut lining cells. Intestinal wall integrity is important in preventing the transmission of pathogens from the gastrointestinal tract to other parts of the body. In a 12-week study, participants who had a body mass index bigger than 24 received either a fermented milk with good bacteria or a control milk fermented without the good bacteria. The study showed significant reductions in body weight and abdominal fat tissue in the probiotic group. So our gut microbes can help us lose weight. I hope we understood so far that the gut bacteria are very good for our health. Now, let's see what is affecting our gut microbiome negatively. Stress has been shown to influence the integrity of the gut lining and to change the contraction of your gut walls, the secretions, and the mucus production. And by doing this, it is changing the habitat of the gut bacteria and is promoting changes in microbes' composition and metabolism. Alcohol changes the gut microbiome by depleting the good bacteria, increasing intestinal permeability, and producing systemic inflammation. Sweeteners are commonly used as sugar substitutes. Despite being recognized as generally safe, some animal studies have shown that these sweeteners may have negative effects on the gut microbiome. They can disrupt the balance and diversity of the gut bacteria. Food additives, often found in packaged foods, can disrupt the state of balance of the gut and promote tissue injury and inflammation. So this is another reason why you should stay away from the ultra-processed foods. A diet that is high in fats is associated with a reduction in bacterial diversity. changes in the immune system, and generation of low-intensity systemic inflammation. Diets that are high in proteins of animal nature promote the growth of bad bacteria, causing an increased risk of metabolic-related diseases like diabetes. The gut bacteria seems to play a role in the development and the progression of obesity. Most studies of overweight and obese people show a lower diversity of gut bacteria in this group of people. So less diversity in your gut means higher risk of obesity. A low diversity of bacteria could affect your immune system, your hormones, and the amount of energy you consume. You heard me talking about gut lining and gut permeability, so I will quickly explain the leaky gut, and I'm sure you've heard of it. Inside our bellies, we have an extensive lining covering more than 4,000 square feet of surface. When working properly, it forms a tight barrier that controls what gets absorbed into the bloodstream. An unhealthy gut lining may have cracks or holes that allows toxins and bugs to penetrate the tissues beneath it. This could trigger inflammation and changes in the gut bacteria that could lead to problems with digestive system and much more. To end this module, here are just a few tips and tricks for a healthy gut microbiome. Eat probiotic foods. Probiotics are live good bacteria that can improve digestion, improve symptoms of depression, and can promote heart health. So getting probiotics from supplements is a quick way of boosting your good bacteria, but you can also get them from fermented foods, and this would be my preferred choice. Examples of fermented foods are sauerkraut, tempeh, kimchi, kombucha, yogurt with live cultures, kefir, and pickled foods, but only those made with salt and water, not with vinegar. Eat prebiotic foods. Prebiotics are a form of dietary fiber that feed the good bacteria in your gut. This includes onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, bananas, barleys, oats, apples, flax seeds, and wheat. Eat whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and buckwheat. Whole grains contain a lot of fiber and non-digestible carbohydrates like beta-glucan. These carbohydrates are not absorbed in the small intestine, but they make their way to the large intestine where they promote the growth of good bacteria. So if you're trying to lose weight, keep in mind that these small bugs that we have in our guts can help you lose weight faster and improve your mood, digestion, among other things.